In front of me is Realme 12 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by opening your keyboard and clicking on microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, select this gear icon instead. Tap on voice typing and use this gray switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and click on no visible microphone. Finally, just start typing. If you wish to stop, tap on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!